guys, what's up? Welcome to another fantastic video, guys. In today's video we are going to look at another PayPal tutorial. So I'm going to show you exactly how to avoid PayPal holding your funds, and if PayPal have held your funds, how to actually get your funds faster from PayPal. Now this is a part of a video series that I've been dropping on this payment processor tutorial playlist. So the link to this playlist will be attached in the description box below, or you can come over to my channel and search for this playlist. You're going to find all the video you need concerning your PayPal and how to get different things sorted from PayPal. So like I said, in today's video we are going to focus on how to make sure PayPal doesn't hold our funds, and if PayPal have held your funds, how can you get your funds faster. Now to answer your first question, okay, how to actually navigate PayPal not holding your funds. So the first thing you need to know is that PayPal is a payment processor and they have rules, they have several things. Okay, now in as much as I don't normally even like PayPal to that extent, but you won't deny the fact that you can actually use PayPal to collect payment on almost all the platforms that you can think of that actually pays online. So PayPal is actually integrated with almost all of them. So PayPal is an integral part of any online hustler's journey. So now, how can you navigate PayPal holding your funds? So the first thing you need to know is PayPal can only hold your funds on certain reasons. Okay, so the first few reasons I know very much based on my recent experiences about PayPal is you having a new account. So if your account is new, PayPal is definitely going to hold that funds when you receive them via goods and services. Okay, they will hold the funds to make sure that all the transactions are done right, so that you can actually have access to the funds. And when would you have access to the fund if it's held like that? You're going to have access to it after 21 days, which is a whole lot. Some people just need their funds faster, and you waiting for 21 to 20 days or 20 to 21 days before you can get your funds. That's a lot of stress, and that will be a lot of ridiculous waiting. So now your account is new, or the kind of transaction you conduct is what PayPal doesn't understand. They need to understand what the transaction is for, and so those are some of the few reasons why PayPal could or can hold your funds. Okay, now how can you escape this thing? So the first thing you need to make sure is you build history with your account. So the more you transact, the more you are trustworthy, the more there is no issue. You'll keep increasing this stuff for you. So at the end of the day, you see that when money comes in, no money is being held. You can actually transfer the money to your bank account. So very, 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 very important on this particular topic. Okay, so now PayPal holding your funds, after what will happen after 21 days after PayPal must have held your funds. After 21 days, if PayPal have held your fund, there's nothing fraudulent about the transaction. Everything looks very good and okay. They will actually allow you to now withdraw your funds to your preferred bank account, just like you see on my screen here. This is the little money PayPal held before, but actually it's free now. So if I go to transfer money, I can go ahead to transfer these funds into any account that I like. Okay, so I can just use this 1 to 3 business days, and it asks me to link my bank or my card. So I've actually linked a bank and a card to this PayPal, so but you can do that if you wish. So in my case, I don't want to link anything, or I can just click on link a bank, and it's going to take us to where we are going to link our bank. So if you don't have a bank, you can link this one directly. Okay, so very simple. And if you want to see the banks that you already linked, and you want to see if it's possible to receive funds from the bank, it's simple. Just go to banks and cards, and you'll find all the cards and banks you have actually linked to this PayPal. Okay, which is actually very, very good, because as you see here, I've linked a bank. Look at it. This bank I think is gotten from Lead Bank, and getclever.com.ng actually got me the bank. And then we have this card, which I've actually used to make several payments online, which works perfectly, and I've talked about this particular card on this channel. Okay, so I've linked this to up, so it's very simple. Okay, so from there you can now take over the other part. So when your funds are being held next time, make sure to patiently wait, or if you cannot wait, make sure you don't even receive funds through goods and services through that platform if you can't wait. But if you can wait, then you don't have any problem, because at the end of the day, after the waiting, they are going to release the funds, and then you can now use the funds, so everybody's happy. Van Dyke, I mean, sorry, um everybody's happy, so guys, I want you to make sure you have patience, if especially if your account is new. You are going to definitely experience some of this stuff, so be patient enough to calm down, especially if you know the account, there's nothing really bad about your transaction. So patient enough, have these things go through the process. If you're not using the font, just leave it there for like 21 days, and after that day you can now withdraw, and then your account have started building history. In subsequent transactions, they will not place so many you know so many stuff on your account. So guys, I believe this video was helpful. What didn't I cover? If there's anything I did not cover, please tell me in the comments. Now before I leave, I want to show you that I want to show you where I got this bank. So like I told you, I got this lead bank from Get Clever. So it's simple. If you go to getclever.com, the website, you can actually now go ahead to log in the website, and then you can get a bank account very easily from this platform, from this Get Clever platform. Okay, so Get Clever is actually an amazing platform, because with this you can, I'm able to have so many accounts, I mean have so many bank details in countries that I have technically been. Okay, in places I've not been. So Get Clever, a very rich platform for you to have. So this playlist, I'm going to be updating videos here on a regular basis. My main goal is to make sure that everybody gets all the information needed for you to have a successful online business, either through payment gateways like PayPal, Stripe, Squarespace, so many of them. Okay, so guys, make sure to check out this playlist, and make sure you're following this playlist. Okay, so yes, I don't know where. Okay, the pin was sent to my mail. Let me see if I still remember this. Okay, yes, this is my account from Get Clever. As you can see here, the current rate here is $1 is for 1,518 naira. So guys, this is their rates. You can actually check out all the rates if you're interested. So you can see here, I've carried out some PayPal transactions just to confirm, and everything seems good and looks super fast and good. So you can use them, link to your PayPal, and withdraw funds from your PayPal into this Get Clever account or Lead Bank account, and then everything is very good. So guys, make sure you check out these platforms, and I'm sure they are going to be of help to you. Okay, so guys, I'll see you guys on the next video. If there's anything that I've not covered, make sure to tell me in the comments. I'll be there waiting for you guys. See you guys on the next video. Thank you very much.